Grabe, Sue. Ginulat mo kami na
Oo naman.
magmu-musical
Kaya
ka.
nga, actually, kahit ako nagulat. Surprise!
Ah,
This is something I've wanted to do for a long time. So, yun nga, gift ko sa younger self ko na nangangarap na maging theater actress nung bata pa lang ako. Kumakanta ako sa harap ng salamin, nanonood ako lagi ng mga musical, ng mga pelikula. And I'm so grateful na naging open yung theater industry to accepting mga TV actors into this world, and I'm so happy and excited.
no. How did they tap you? How did it come to your lap?
I think there was a na-float yung name ko when I think si LMD and si Kong Tof were talking na parang sino kaya sa mga artists nyo ang gustong mag-audition or ano. And when they asked me, walang hesitation sa akin, I said yes right away. Nag-audition po ako,
Grabe.
yes.
Oo. Ano yung excitement and kaba nung naramdaman mo when you took that role, tapos nagre-rehearse na, ito malapit na
Nakakaloka!
ipalabas.
Hanggang ngayon, sobrang kabado pa din. Ganun pala sa teatro. Parang until nasa stage ka, hanggang dun pwede mong buuhin yung character mo. So unlike, syempre sa TV, isang araw, dadating yung script mo, babasahin mo, gagawin mo yung eksena, tapos mo na yung eksena, kakalimutan mo na siya for life. Eto, dala-dala mo na siya. And I don't think I will ever forget every line from this play. I've learned to fall in love with it na grabe, singing and acting together, what I really wanted to do. And yung excitement ko, at saka yung kaba ko, same level sila. Oo,
Grabe.
parang hindi ka talaga masasanay sa feeling na may audience na nanonood sa'yo. We had our sandbox night just recently. First time
Ah,
namin mag-perform in front of an actual audience. It was very nerve-wracking talaga, as in kabang-kaba ko. Pero syempre sa alalay ng mga actors na kasama ko, gagaling po nilang lahat.
correct.
Parang mas nakakampante ako sa stage and
Ah,
nakaka-inspire sila.
this is your first ever musical,
Yes! As
no?
in, first ever stage play
Grabe.
na gagawin ko. So, sana po makasupport sila, makanood po kayo
Ah,
to see me finally doing what I love.
sino si Sue bilang si Audrey
Sino si Sue bilang si Audrey?
dito?
Ang pagkakapareho ba namin ni
Oo.
Audrey? Okay, siguro pareho kami ni Audrey in a way na selfless kami magmahal. Parang we're really willing to give everything basta for love. Tapos, heart of gold kasi siya, so sobrang empathetic siya, which I can relate also with myself. Yeah.
Tapos, ano yung sa tingin mo take away o pwede matutunan ng audience from this
Ang
musical?
dami. Actually, self-love. Ako kay Audrey, self-love siguro. Um, Mangarap, wanting to get away from something and actually getting away from that something or someone. Alam mo yun? Ang daming pwede. Actually, sobrang sensitive na mga topics na tinatackle ng play na to. We have, of course, poverty na ang daming nakaka-experience. We have domestic abuse, violence against women. So, ang daming mga tinatackle na mga very timely topics ng play na to. And that's one of the reasons why people should really watch, to see reality through art, and wanting to do something about it and doing something about it because na-inspire ka dahil napanood mo sa play. So yeah.
Since nag-e-enjoy ka and challenging for you, tuloy-tuloy na ba to? Ang
Sana.
pagka-teatro?
Sana, yes. Actually, mga kakilala ko sa teatro, kapag, sabi ko, pag may mga auditions, they can count me in. I will definitely want to do this again and again and again until I'm so good at it that I can't stop.
Siyempre, so nakilala ka namin or sa mga recent
Yeah.
projects mo, diba? Broken
Yep.
Marriage, Ironheart, Jack and Jill,
Apo.
etc. Hinubad mo ba si Sue doon?
Oo.
Pagpasok mo ng teatro?
Oo talaga. Hihubarin mo talaga. Actually, kahit naman anong project, kahit sa TV, kailangan mong tanggalin yung sarili mo. Siguro kung mag-iiwan ka ng isang piece of clothing, it's isang pirasong medyas na ikaw pa rin. Alam mo yun. Pero the rest, kailangan mo talagang ibahin. Do your best na mailayo syempre sa persona mo kasi mahirap din kumalas kapag masyadong dikit. So,
Siyempre, sino inspiration mo for doing this?
oh my gosh, so many people. I have a lot of friends working in the theater industry. Adrian Lindayag is one of them. I think si Adrian talaga has been an inspiration of mine ever since na-meet ko si Adrian and I learned that he did theater. I was always curious. I always asked him about ano bang mga ginagawa sa teatro, masaya ba? Alam mo, yun yung na-inspire talaga ako ni Adrian. So, yeah, siguro if there was someone who inspired me, it's really Adrian.
Ito, lilihis naman tayo. Siyempre, naging viral yung pagiging bridesmaid.
Nakakatawa yun!
Grabe, kay Charlie. Siya yung tanong ng fans
Oo.
ikaw na ba susunod?
Ay, hindi. Wala, malayo pa. Matagal pa yan, guys. Ito, busy pa ako at busy pa si Mayor sa probinsya, sa Victoria. So, wala pa po kaming plans. Actually, we're really trying to explore pa our own grounds. You know, what else? Ito, at 27 years old, sino ba mag-aakala na mag-o-open pa pala, may mag-o-open pa palang pinto para sa akin, di ba? So, ang dami pa namin gustong gawin, actually. And hindi pa namin siya napag-uusapan talaga.
That's nice. What's next after after Little Shops of Horror? Teleserye, movies?
There are 2 movies lined up na i-shoot ko pa lang. But there are a couple of movies na natapos ko na pong i-shoot. There are 2 na tapos na and 1 that's ongoing. So, lots of movies definitely coming up from me. So, kung i-add up yung parang 5 pelikula pa po ang hindi lumalabas. Correct.
Invite na the public to catch
Alright.
you as Audrey.
Hello mga kapatid, this is Sue Ramirez, finally a theater actress doing Little Shop of Horrors with Sandbox. Iniimbitahan ko po kayong lahat na sana po ay masuportahan niyo po at mapanood niyo naman po ako sa ibang klaseng entablado, the theater stage. Little Shop of Horrors will be showing starting July 6 to 28 at the Globe Auditorium at the Maybank Performing Arts Theater. Maraming matututunan po and for sure matutuwa po kayo and patatawanin namin kayo sa play na to. So sana po, supportahan niyo.